Vegan and cruelty free lipsticks. I know you guys were waiting for this video, but now the video is here. I promise you're gonna love this video. I have segregated all the lip combos in pinks, fall coated browns, everyday browns, dark browns, maroons, and in reds as well. So in this video, you will definitely find one or two lip combos that will help you in getting ready for no makeup looks, for everyday makeup looks, and for your full glam looks. All of these are unsponsored as well. In case you like any of the lipsticks and you would want link of the lipsticks or to research more about the lipsticks, there is a wish link shop link in the description, and those links are going to direct you to the website from where you can make your purchase or you can read more about these lipsticks. In case you are new here, this is Neha Devgan. I was a bridal makeup artist and now I come here to chit chat with you about all of my makeup experiences, and I like to explore products for all of you, whatever you guys ask me to. Okay? So without any delay, let's get the video started. So let's start with browns first, and this is an amazing lip combo for fair, medium and deeper skin tones. Just in case if you are a deeper complexion person, apply the lip liner more and fill in the lipstick only in the middle of the lip. That's how it's gonna look beautiful for your all occasions and daily use as well. This lip combo is my personal favorite one for everyday use. Again, this is a liquid lipstick which is non-transferable, very comfortable formula. It will suit fair and medium skin tones. For deeper skin tones, it will look little neutralized or it can look beautiful as well depending upon the pigmentation. Now this is Nykaa Chai. Amazing for medium and deeper skin tones. For fair skin tones, it can look little darker but non-transferable formula. I have made a fully dedicated video about Maybelline Terry Tints which are vegan and cruelty free, but this is a new shade which is not in that video. This is Mascara Tear, which is the best selling shade of the brand, and this is what it looks like. Amazing for all skin tones, and you can choose any other shade from that video. Coming to a bullet lipstick, this is a vegan and cruelty free formula from Pilgrim. This shade will suit fair and fair medium skin tones, not for deeper skin tones, but I like this for everyday use. Going ahead with K Beauty's Complicated. This is a complicated lipstick only. I think it is only for fair skin tones. Deeper and medium skin tones will have to pair it up with a dark brown lip liner to make it flatter on your skin. But it's a beautiful color. Now let's talk about Fay Beauty lipsticks. I've also made a dedicated video about their all red colors which are so famous, but this shade is amazing for fair skin tones, and they also have many shades for deeper skin tones and medium skin tones as well. Now this is Lakme Haya Matte Monday Mocha, one of the best selling shades of Lakme, and no doubt it is. It will look amazing on fair and medium skin tones. Deeper skin tones will have to pair it up with a dark brown lip liner, but comfortable formula, and not all Lakme lipsticks are vegan, so please check before buying. This is Panache by K Beauty. I think this is amazing for fair skin tones, but for medium and deeper skin tones, you will have to take a dark brown lip liner. Other than that, I feel these lipsticks moves a little more than any other bullet lipstick because they are very creamy. Now, we are on to the pinks, and this is one of my favorite pink lip combo for fair and medium skin tones. In fact, for medium also, I think if you'll do a little makeup, then it will look more flattering on you, but not for deeper skin tones. Now let's talk about the most trending lipstick these days. This is Batua by Masaba. I like the whole lipstick concept and everything, but this also moves a lot. This color I think will suit all Indian skin tones. Very comfortable formula, but it's a creamy bullet lipstick. So baby, you will have to do touch-ups. I also have these two shades from Masaba. First is Hukum, and this is this dark. It's a liquid lipstick, and then I have Burfi. Burfi is a dark shade again. Burfi, and this is Hukum. This is liquid lipstick. Batua Mauve Mantra. Now this lip combo is for people who feel sometimes the red looks too intimidating. I just applied a red lip liner from Maybelline and this e.l.f. lip gloss, and I think it looks fashion. It can be, worked upon as per your liking, more or less, but it looks so beautiful. Now This is a K Beauty's crayon in red. It takes a little time to apply, but it looks so beautiful and I think it will look amazing on all skin tones, and it's affordable as well. Now, other than e.l.f. lip gloss, I have Fay Beauty lip glosses, and I love this mini trio because you can try these. I think these are available for 650 rupees only, and there is some sale also going on. So you have them in, no color, and then in pink color, and then in brown color as well. So you can make your own lip combos. Other than that, these are very thicker lip gloss. These are not thin, so you will feel them on the lips, and they will give little bit of color to the lips as well. They're not that, translucent. This is Fenty Beauty's The MVP, amazing for all skin tones, all occasions. Red needs no occasion and sometimes needs occasion. And it's a soft matte lipstick which is transferable as well. And in the end, we have Jamun Crush, which was made in collaboration with Abhinav Mishra and Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, the lip gloss is vegan and cruelty free, but the lipstick is only cruelty free. I haven't found any information of it being vegan, but this looks beautiful. इसके अलावा ये कुछ products हैं जिनके बारे में I'd like to talk. First is Russ Luxury Oils. Now, this is their plumping lip oil. First swipe, you will apply this lip oil. This is so beautiful. It will give you a plumping effect which will stay for not so long, but it hydrates your lip as well. Sometimes I'm not very comfortable without any lip gloss or lip oil or lip balm. I just like to apply this. This is Raspberry Glow, and this is little pinky in color, and my lips are little pigmented, so I completely enjoy this Russ Luxury Oils Raspberry Glow lip oil. Okay, now I have made a separate video on Rucha Beauty. What did we call these? So this is my favorite shade, Pookie, and I'll put all the links in the description of all of these videos so that reaching to these videos will be easier for you. So this is my favorite shade, Pookie in Rucha Beauty, and I completely love this. Amazing for fair, medium and deeper skin tones. So you can buy this shade or go to that video and buy your favorite shade. Now, I have also talked about Prosh Beauty in my videos. This is High Tea and this is Coffee Date Caramel Brunch. I think this shade is amazing for fair skin tones, but not for medium and deeper skin tones. This can work on medium skin tones and fair skin tones. For deeper, I think it will look okayish, like it will neutralize their lip shade. And this one particularly, I don't even remember. I think this is gonna look amazing on fair skin tones, but for medium skin tones, I think it can dull the complexion as well. Mulberry Mauve from Tipsy Beauty. I've also made a separate video on Fay Beauty, all of their lipsticks, I guess. So you can go and check out the Fay Beauty video. Their red lipstick specifically मैंने बनाया था, और brown भी मैंने आपको यहाँ एक और दो combo दिखाए हैं. Plus there is a nude lipstick video on my channel in which I've talked about the nude lipsticks from Fay Beauty. So go and check out that video. In that you will find a lot of shades. I have just bought their lip liners. This is Headline, okay? And this is Borderline from Fay Beauty. These two lip liners are my recent purchase, and I'm completely enjoying Borderline more than the Headline. But very creamy, very easy to apply, but they don't just stay at one place. Like, it's not like they are just going to settle down at one place and will not move. So it's just good for any lip combo that you would like to make, but these are cruelty and vegan free. Okay, so I hope you guys have liked this video. अभी तक ना मेरा 2025 का goal था to get 5,000 subscribers, and I'm just 500 subscribers away from that goal. So help me in reaching that goal, please. After clicking the like button on my video, there is a hype button that pops up only after clicking the like button. So please click the hype button as well so that this video reaches to the masses, and people who are actually looking for unsponsored reviews can finally find my channel, and I should grow with you guys so that I can bring a lot of products for you guys to, explore the world of makeup. On this note, I just want to say bye bye and I shall see you in next one. Comment below what video would you like to see next. Bye.